Codependency is a learned behavior, a survival tactic, a way to self-protect, an effort to control the uncontrollable. Codependency can be understood, overcome, eliminated. So if you find yourself preoccupied with the plight of another, saying yes when you want to say no, controlled or swayed by others' opinions and needs more than your own, fearful of rejection and disapproval, people-pleasing at your own expense, feeling like your life is spinning out of control, compromising your truth, feeling like a puppet on a string, in toxic one-way relationships, you may be codependent. Find out for free, because you don't have to live this way any longer. We have help and you deserve to feel better.